Let's go to page 237 and number 29. And so these are simplifying. So you got a plus b over a minus b plus a minus b over a plus b plus b minus a over a minus b plus b minus a over a plus b. Okay, so you got two different denominators, but notice that you have these two and you got these two, right? So you can actually add these two together, okay? So let's go and add these two together, combine the like terms first. So when you add these two together, when you add the a minus a will cancel out, and so you got b plus b will give you 2b, okay? So combine these two, and these two have the same denominator, so you can combine these two, okay? Again, when you add, so a and minus a cancel out, and you got b. So again, the a and minus a cancel out, minus b plus b cancel out, so you got 0. Well, in this case, this just 0 will be just nothing, right? And that's it. So when you're doing the problem, don't just do it blindly, okay? Because sometimes you can just simplify very easily, like in this case, okay? So you don't have to go through the long process of doing the common denominator, okay? Okay, number 31. Okay, you have x minus y to the negative 1 power minus x plus y to the negative 1 power. Okay, so first you need to get rid of the negative exponent. So negative exponent means flip it over. And again, this means flip it over. Okay, so first you have to get your LCD. So step 1, LCD is equal to x plus y, x minus y. Okay, so step 2 is get your LCD ready. So x plus y, x minus y, x plus y, x minus y. Step 3 is to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. Well, from here to here, you already have the x minus y. So from here to here, you have to multiply by x plus y. Okay, so step 4 is multiply. So this times that the denominator, when you multiply the bottom, you get that. When you multiply the top, you get the top. Okay, same thing over here. From here to here, you need to multiply by x minus y. So this times I give you the bottom, this times I give you the top. Okay, so now you go to step 5. Okay, so you got x plus y, x minus y. So now when you have subtraction, you have to take extra step to change sign. So you're going to get x plus y minus x plus y, right? So minus x minus y give you plus y. And when you combine the like terms, this will cancel out. So you're going to get 2y over x plus y and x minus y. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have 3 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 plus 2 over x squared minus 4. Okay, so you have to do all the factoring first before you can figure out your LCD. Okay. Okay, this one is kind of easy. So this would be x plus 2, x minus 2, right? That's a step 2a. Now this one, you go through the step. This would be master product step 4. So you have to add to get negative 5. You have to multiply to get 6. Okay. Okay, so you start with 1 comma negative 6, and you have to use negative. Negative 1, negative 6, no. So you got negative 2, negative 3. So you have to keep track of your sign. So this one is a bit tricky. This one is very easy to get tricked. So make sure you be careful with this one, okay? Because a lot of times people will say, oh, okay, it's 1 negative 6, give you negative 5, right? But if you do that, this will not give you a positive 6, okay? Okay, but anyway, so that's what you need to have. So you need to have x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay, so once we do that, then we can figure out LCD. So step 1 LCD will equal to, okay, you need to have a x plus 2, x minus 2. I always have to do the conjugate first, okay, and then x minus 3. Okay, so that's your LCD. So our step 2 is to get our LCD ready. Okay, so x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3. So you can get your LCD down here. Okay, so that's your step 2. Then step 3, you have to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. So from here to here, you're missing the x plus 2. So you need to multiply by x plus 2. Okay? So this times I give you this times I will give you 3x plus 6. Okay? So you have to multiply both the top by the missing factors. Okay, let's go to this one. This one you're missing the x minus 3. So you need to multiply by x minus 3. Okay? So this times this will give you the bottom. So the top will give you 2x minus 6. Okay? So that's your step. So step 3 and step 4 is multiply out. Now step 5, you can go and, now addition is easy. You can just go and combine without additional step. Okay, so you combine the like terms. So 3x and 2x will give you 5x, and plus 6 minus 6 will cancel out. Okay, and you have to do the final check to see if anything will able to cancel, and there's nothing to cancel. So there's nothing to cancel, so that would be your answer. You also have to check, see if you can factor and cancel. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. You got 1 over 2u squared minus 3uv plus v squared plus 1 over 4u squared minus v squared. Okay, so let's go and do all the factoring first before you can get your LCD. This one, I'd like to do this one first because it's easier. So this is a step 2a, 2 terms that give you the difference of square, right? So you need to get 2 times 2 to give 4. You need u times u to get u squared. You need to plus minus to get minus. You need to have v and v, right? Okay, so this one, I can go to your step. So this will be step 4, master product. So you need to add to get -3. You need to multiply to get 2. So you need to go -1 comma -2. Okay? Okay, so you're going to get u, 2u. And so this would be the inside. So it would be minus 1v. Right? There's a v in the back, so you need to have v. And this would be the outside, so it would be minus v also. Okay, so now you can get your LCD. Okay? Your LCD, so step 1, get your LCD. So your LCD would be, okay, you have, okay, let's do the conjugate. So you got 2u plus v and 2u minus v. Okay, and then you need to also have the u minus v. Okay, so that's your LCD. Okay, so step 2, you have to get your LCD down here. So again, I like to do the conjugate first. So it'd be 2u plus v, 2u minus v, and then u minus v. Okay, so 2u plus v, 2u minus v, and u minus v. Okay, so that's your step 2, get your LCD. So step 3, figure out what's missing. So from here to here, what are you missing? Okay, you have these, so you're missing the 2u plus v. Okay, so that's what you need to have. So 1 times that. So the top, when you multiply, you get 2u plus v. This one, you're missing the u minus v. So to get from here to here, you need to multiply by u minus v. So this, the bottom, you multiply, you get that. The top, multiply, you get u minus v. Okay, so that's your step 4. Now step 5, okay, you can go and combine. Okay, again, addition, you can just add already. So this 2u plus 1u will give you 3u, and the v minus v cancels out. Okay, and so nothing to factor to cancel, and so this is it. Okay, next one. Okay, you got x over x minus a minus x squared plus a squared over x squared minus a squared plus a over x plus a. Okay, so again, let's go and factor the bottom. This one cannot do anything. This one you have to factor into difference of, this is the difference of square. You have to factor into conjugate. So it will be x plus a, x minus a. And I'm going to put in parentheses. Okay, so step 1, LCD would be just x plus a and x minus a. That would be your LCD. So this is not too bad. Okay. So step 1, get your LCD. Step 2, don't do anything extra. Just go and put your LCD down here. Okay, there's a lot of writing, but you have to be patient. Just go through. Okay. And step 3, you have to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. So from here to here, you're missing the x plus a. So you need to multiply by x plus a. Okay, so that's your step 3. That's what you need to multiply. So you go and multiply, you're going to get x squared plus ax. From here, okay, from here to here, you're not missing anything, so you just keep the same. Okay. From here to here, you're missing x minus a. So multiply, you get ax minus a squared. Okay. Okay, now you're going to put everything together, but you have to be careful with the subtraction. Okay, you have to distribute. So this is step 4. Okay, now do the step 5. Now you can put all these things together as one fraction. Okay, then again you want to change the sign on these. Okay, this is subtraction, so it would be minus x squared minus a squared. Okay, again when there's a subtraction, do one extra step. Okay, so plus ax minus a squared. Okay, so let's go and combine the like terms. Okay, so you got x squared minus x squared cancels out, okay? And then, okay, let's see. Then you have, okay, you have this one, the ax and ax, so that's 2ax. And you have minus, you get minus 2a squared, right? So this one and this one. Okay, so you can use different shapes. Use the oval, the rectangle, and the parallelogram. Okay, again, now you have to, once you've done that, you have to check for factoring and check for cancellation. Okay, so this one you can factor out the 2a, so it becomes x minus a. Okay, so you can factor, and this can cancel. So your final answer will be just 2a over x plus a.